it's Laura with a quick and easy tutorial showing you how to make the double crochet stitch with slow motion. Let's get started. We begin our double crochet by yarning over and inserting into our desired stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop through that stitch. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now you're going to yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. Now you've got just 1 loop on your hook and you have just made a double crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over, pop on into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let me show you that again. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I hope this video helped you learn the double crochet stitch. Check out my channel to see other crochet basics and meet me back here next week for another tutorial. Thanks for watching!